You apply for an online job and they are asking you for your portfolio and you are confused on how to go about it because you basically don't have any experience based on what you are applying for. Now, the truth of the matter is that every professional in a field once had a zero experience. And that is why in this video today, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to build a free online portfolio even without experience. And this is good for those of us who are students. This is good for those of us who are young graduates who are looking for a job, because basically we know what we are about to do and we are yet to gain a lot of experience like that. I'm going to share with you on how you can build a portfolio that you can use to apply for this job, and you will surely get it. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up the academic game. I also share good tips on this channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And now there are a lot of reasons, like I said, why we as students or we as young individuals applying for online jobs needs portfolio. Because the truth is that nobody is going to employ you because you said you are good in a particular stuff. Like, I cannot just employ you to come and work for me because of what you are saying from your mouth, like I am good, I am good, I am good. No, it doesn't work that way. Your portfolio is like an online CV that shows who you are. Like, your portfolio is like an online CV that shows who you are, and it is one of the best CV, because it doesn't just talk about you and your qualifications. It shows the people, or it tells the people what you have done, the real life experience you have gotten for that particular position you are applying for. So that is the major reason why you need a portfolio. And there are basically three things your portfolio needs in the course of you preparing your portfolio. There are basically three things your portfolio needs. Number one is that your portfolio should be able to answer three questions. You understand? Which are the three things your portfolio needs? There are basically three questions. And number one of those questions is, who are you? Right? Your portfolio should be able to tell people who you are. You understand? Who are you? What is your name? You understand? That is what the portfolio should tell people. Then the second question your portfolio should be able to answer is, what can you do? The first question is, who are you? The second question is, what can you do? Then the third question is, can you show me example of your work? You understand? To tell you the truth, I once when I wrote a book, I'm here to publish a book. The book was about drugs abuse. So I met a celebrity, David Jones. You can get to check him out on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, Spotify, everywhere. David is an advocate of drugs abuse. So, like, he talks against drugs abuse and stuff like that. So I chatted him up from Instagram, got his WhatsApp number, chatted him on WhatsApp. I was asking him to try to help me publish my book and stuff like that. And he asked me a very basic question: who are you? You understand? I told him who I was. I told him that, okay, this is what I do. All these were words of mouth, right? So he now asked me that, okay, I should send him my Facebook account or any account that shows whether I am doing this stuff I am talking about, right? So the Facebook account at that particular time was supposed to represent my portfolio. But imagine now that I'm a YouTuber, right? So it was supposed to represent my portfolio to show them that, okay, this is what I have done. But unfortunately, I was not even talking about drugs abuse on my Facebook. So basically, there was nothing I've written about drugs abuse on my Facebook. It was as dry as desert. So they were like, unfortunately, they can't help me, that it seems I am looking for the money for stuff like that. You understand those kind of stuff now. So your portfolio should be able to tell who you are, what you can do, and the things that you have already done. Now the thing is that even if you have not been paid before, in the case of you are working, right? Even if you have not been paid before, when you have been doing things like you have been working, let's say you're a graphic designer, you have been doing graphics and stuff like that, you have not been paid for it, right? Don't worry, you can still have a sample of those works, and I will show you on how you can go about it using those sample of those works that you were not paid for, or there were just free works or free stuff that you just did, right? You were just trying to learn to see how you can grow, right? So you can use this stuff as your portfolio sample, and I will show you how to go about it, right? So number one, basically what you need are tools. right? You want to build a portfolio, you need tools that will help you build this portfolio. And I'm not just going to list out tools, but I'm going to list out free tools. There are a lot of tools out there, but I'm going to list out free tools that will help you build your portfolio, right? So the number one tool there is Google Site. To access Google Site is just for you to go to Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and dial in this keyword sites.google.com. Right, when you dial in sites.google.com, you have to just basically choose a template and you start building. Right, so that is just it. Now, one thing about Google Site is that Google Site is absolutely free. It is an easy drag and drop platform, so you don't need any experience about programming or coding. It's just for you to drag and drop, right? And it also helps makes your portfolio look so professional. So if you are looking for a site to help if you are looking for a site to be a portfolio, then I will recommend Google Site, which you can get at site.google.com. The second platform is Notion, right? Notion. So when it comes to Notion is a modern and a clean portfolio website. You understand? So that is just how it is. It is perfect for writers, it is perfect for editors, it is perfect for designers and virtual assistants. And one thing about Notion is that Notion is free forever. Like there's nothing like free subscription, like free trial and later you're due to pay. No. When it comes to Notion is just free forever. So you're using it for free, right? And you can use their templates like the portfolio or the resume template, and basically what you just have to do is to just drag in your information to this template and you get you a unique link. And in case you are not asked to share your portfolio, just share your unique link to the person who is asking for it, and that is just it. The person will have to go through your Notion portfolio and get to see about everything that you have built, whether as a designer, as a editor, or even as a virtual assistant. And the last tool there that can also help you is the Canva website builder. I believe you have been hearing about Canva, right? So Canva is a like mobile editing app, right? It has a web page and also a mobile app. So what's about Canva is that Canva is free and Canva is also paid, and they also have a platform, or yes, they have a service which is now the Canva website builder. So the Canva website builder is a portfolio. You can use it to create a portfolio, and it's great for those of us who are creatives, for those of us who are designers, video editors, and social media managers. So for you to access this Canva website builder, all what you just have to do is to go to any browser of your choice and search for canva.com. And when canva.com open, click on that canva.com, right? And also search, because Canva provides the opportunity to navigate their platform. So just search for website portfolio and you can get to see it. You just have to edit and publish it for free. And the good thing is that no domain is needed. You don't need to pay for any domain. Canva is taking care of everything for you. So that is just how it is. So now when it comes to the next section, which is what to put inside your portfolio, it is very important what you have to put inside your portfolio. Now, what you have to put inside your portfolio is basically a simple bio. That's a simple biography. A simple biography, something like like telling us your name. Okay, let's say my name is Samuel. I am a self-taught video video editor and social media content creator. I help people I help people tell stories online with clean and simple edit, right? You just see the way it is from your name, then you tell us what you can do, right? Just tell us your name and tell us what you can do. Then the next thing there you have to put is your sample project you have done before. Like I said, those project does not matter whether they have paid you before, whether they paid you money for it or not, right? You just have to show us things that you have done. So you can create a sample design, can edit a short video, you can write a blog post, you can redesign an existing CV, or you can even record a voiceover demo, right? So those are the things that can be included in your portfolio, like showing us an experience on what you have done before, right? Telling us what you have done before. Now, the thing is that when it comes to building an online portfolio, you don't have to wait till when they want to hire you before you start building your portfolio, right? You have to create your portfolio first. You have to be ready first, so that in case the job now come, you don't have to start running, or you don't have to start doing this stuff at this particular time. Because the thing about life is that the job might not just be waiting for you alone. There are thousands of people out there who are looking for that job, right? So you have to get prepared, so the moment you see it, you can easily apply using your portfolio, right? So okay, there's another thing you have to put there, which is your contact address, on how people can easily reach you. Yes, it can be your contact link, it can be your Facebook account, it can even be your WhatsApp number, right? Any way you think people can easily get in contact to you, you have to also include it in your portfolio, right? So I have some real quick tips here before we are done with this video. So basically, when it comes to your portfolio, please use your real name. Don't go and use Alexander Fleming or Alexander Peter, right? Use your real name or a clean username. If you want to use a username, please keep it simple. Keep your sample project simple. Don't over design your portfolio, right? Use Google Docs for extra sample, right? So these are basically just stuff that I just needed, right? Keep it simple. Your bio should be simple. If your sample project, everything should be simple and clean and professional, right? And also make sure you update your portfolio at least every month, or once in every 3 months, or once in every 2 months, right? But make sure you just update your portfolio. Don't allow it, because you have created a portfolio, you allow it from January to December, right? It doesn't work that way. Make sure you always update your portfolio, so that you will always when you're updated, right, and it tells people that okay, this was the time this guy updated his portfolio, and they will know that okay, you have something you are working on, and not just a one hit wonder person. You understand? So that is just it. So the truth of the matter is that don't let low experience stop you from starting in getting your online portfolio. Don't let the lack of online portfolio make you from getting your dream job. Follow up all the stuff that I've said, and try to see how you can go to these websites and create an online portfolio. And if you need help in the course of you going about it, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Like, if you need help, feel free to meet me, and I will try to see how I can guide you on it, and you'll get a good online portfolio which you can use to apply for any job, and your employee will get to know that you really know what you are doing. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, if you find this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value and turn up be motivated to continue dropping videos like this. That's in my next video. Always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a presenter. I really love you. Thank you.